This is the next video after. Oh, nice. We don't need rosaries for now. We do for the maps, but that's for when we like desperately need the maps. I want to do the thing where I just okay. The ability is somewhere over here, and it's gonna say B to bind it. It's gonna tell me B to bind. All right, just you wait. I'm gonna prove it, and you're gonna know for a fact. All right. Daughter of a distant land. And what does that say? B for bind. That's not on the keyboard. Look, B. Aha. I bound this. Yeah, see LT. Is that on the keyboard? I don't think so. Okay, for a second I thought I had the beast crest, so I was confused. I gotta make sure I'm not using. Okay, I'm not using the beast crest. Good. I've seen some people would actually enjoy using it, which that shocks me, to be honest. I don't really like using beast crest. It's hard to use. Look, LT was this? No, it was this. I'm gonna accept her request. Ooh, bench. Blah 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 blah. I'm gonna skip your dialogue. Okay, yes, I promised you the wish. Yes, 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 yes. You know, when I first accepted this quest, I didn't solve it until Act 2, when I had to get into Act 3. It was a bit funny. It was a bit funny. Oh, quick thing I want to say, I don't like Roll the Great. Alright, bye bye. Dude, Team Cherry needs to nerf Roll the Great. Cause, like, terrible boss. Yeah, Belbeast. Ironically, it's just a very aggressive petting session. Bam. I'm still good at Hollow Knight Silksong even when I'm using controller. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I'm gonna die. I mean, I'd never die, especially to Belbeast. Like, who dies to Belbeast? I could never. No. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Come on, if you can beat Bell Eater, you can beat Belbeast. Oh god. Oh, okay. I never die on Belbeast. Just remember. If you ever see a video of me die on Belbeast, just know that's not me. One hit and I'm dead. But I'm not dead, because I'm just so good at this game. See? Shoot. Down. You know what? I don't want to get the silk card. You know, I'll just. Oh crap. Um. Oh, we're in the Silk memory. Come on. You take too long. Our nature. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you finish your dialogue. I heard grandmother Silk. Come, child, witness our waking. I'm spamming the A button. Plus, does the A button make this sound? Yeah, I don't think it does. So, Bilby, button. But I'll never miss this animation. You know, this is the one NPC you see once. You see this guy once and then never again. Fearful Pilgrim, this dude. You never see him again after this interaction when he says scary beast. Well, horrible beast, I think. Beast, yeah. Cause look, I leave the room, he's gonna disappear. Look. Now if I come back in, oh, weird. No, what's the best way to wake him up? People say the best way to wake him up is play the needle in, or like hit him, cause that's petting him, or like use Pashanka or challenge him. Know what I say? Or call him. Know what I say this? And just back to the mirror. Every time I see this cutscene, I think I'm like back in my original playthrough, where Max Silk Carts, Max Silk Spool, Silk Spools, Max Silk Spools, ah, oh yeah, I forgot I have to ring all the bells. And I have to kill Widow again. Yeah, I'm not watching that entire thing. I'm pretty sure this is the way I have to go. Oh, we're getting a flea right now. Yeah, I remember this flea. I died like a couple of times here. Or no, I have a friend named Hamud. That's not his actual name. It's like Amud, I think. But I call him Hamud. Oh. No, it takes so long just to. I don't like you. I don't like you. Oh, whoa! I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. Let me help. Help. Ah, I'm getting surrounded by enemies. There we go. No, he knocked me off the platform, then the platform broke. Oh never knock me off again. Aha! See, I know where this leads. This leads to the far field. Did I just say far field? No, it does not lead to. Okay, thank God I'm back up here. Yeah, and bam. Die. Mini version of Savage Beast Fly. I call this baby Savage Beast Fly. Because it is. It's the Beast Fly's offspring, I think. Okay, please tell me if I fall down, there's nothing. Okay, so oh! Be free. Awoo! Awoo! Cause baby, I can't get up there. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for it. Oh wait, no, I know where I'm going. I know where I'm going. I know where I'm going. I know exactly where I'm going. I know exactly where I'm going. I know 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 where I'm going. I am aware of where I am going currently at this specific location in the mirror. Wait, so are you struggling to kill this one NPC? Not NPC, enemy? Well, that's the way around it. Explode them. I didn't mean that. Bro, is nobody ever gonna help Hornet? Like, Jesus. Bro. Ooh, ah. Ooh. Ah. I'm such a good voice actor. Online Silksong should hire me. They have to hire me. I can give them such good boss ideas. Like, oh. Like, wait, what do you want? No. Ooh, straight pen. Did I just break your kit? Did I just, like, break the log? Cool. Hey, I only saved you for the straight pin, buddy. Otherwise, I would have left you to rot. Oh, I don't know why those were there. That's weird. No, you know how that guy's like big hell hammer? Hell hammer. Oh crap! This video is 14 minutes long. Okay, I'll make one more and then I'll end it. Okay.